Hi, this is Dan Petrock. I'm going to be your statistics instructor this summer of 2020. Very excited to be working with you. I know this unusual circumstances of COVID have changed the world, and thankfully, this online course can allow us to do this at a distance. Been doing this for a long time. I've helped develop this course with some other faculty, and very, very happy with the way it's progressed, and I think it's going to be very helpful to all of you this summer. I know it's only an 8-week class, and stats can be challenging for a lot of people. So I am here to help you be successful, and very glad to say seen a lot of success out of students in this class. So I thought I'd just do a brief introduction. This is me right here. You can just call me Dan. This is my wife, Sarah. We've been married for 25 years this summer, so excited to celebrate our 25th anniversary. Gavin is graduated from DCG, so going to Iowa State this fall. Kalen's is going to be a junior, and Jensen's going to be an 8th grader. So that's my family. I know many of you are parents, maybe even, or obviously home with your family this summer. I understand there's other things besides statistics to do in this world, and those are important. But just want to let you know I'm a real guy on the other side of this course, and I'm here to help. And I understand when things come up. Just communicate with me. Shoot me messages, call me. Just stay ahead of that. It's really unfortunate when I get messages days or weeks later after things and deadlines have passed, and those are difficult situations. So just want to encourage you to stay on top of things. Communicate with me directly if something does happen or if you have any questions. So let's do a brief tour of the course. I'm not going to show you too much. There's lots of information, obviously in the syllabus, which is right here. Turn the edit mode off. There we go. That's what it looked like to you. So there's the syllabus, and I'll click on that, and you'll see at the end there's a calendar of events for the whole course. So I don't know if this is something you may want to just kind of print or make sure you got this file downloaded so you can easily access what are we doing every week, what are the due dates. Typically due dates are on Tuesdays. Tuesdays at 11:59 p.m. That seems to work well for various schedules and lives, so I can keep you accountable to the learning. One cool thing that we do in this class is a final project. We don't really work on that until the last 2-3 weeks of the course, but we have scaffolded discussions throughout that help you get ready for that and equip you for that. But it's something I want you to think about first day. What's a question you've had that you might be able to answer with statistics? What's something that's maybe in your field or something you're interested in? And you'll have an opportunity to do that in this class. So it's really cool to see people digging into data, analyzing it, and trying to answer questions. I know this is a first course in statistics, but I think does a great job of not only making you a consumer of statistics, but you can actually do it. It's great. So under the course content, the first 3 weeks are opened up here for you to see, but I'm just going to go to the Start Here folder. Pretty much you're going to go in here and click on any of these My Math Lab. There's an orientation, or it's called My Stat Lab, I guess, orientation homework, and there's the code you will need to enter. You've already paid for this. You don't need to buy anything else. You have access to the ebook as well, and you can purchase a print companion at the bookstore. I think it's around $40 if you'd like a print companion. You can order that and they'll send it to you, but you don't have to do that. You've already prepaid for all the materials in this course, so you are ready to go day one. Obviously, introduce yourself. There's a syllabus quiz here. Practice uploading a document. I highly recommend using this Cam Scanner app. It's a free app, and this is a good way for you to practice how to do that. So, and what I do is ask you to write on one sheet of paper how many credits you've earned, college credits you've earned. It gives me a perception of how experienced of a college student you are. And the other sheet of paper or on the back or whatever, write down the letter grade you want to get in this class. Now, I'm the only one who's going to see this. The reason I'm making it this, I want to get some information about you, your expectations of this class, your experience, but also get used to kind of taking images, multi-page images, saving as a PDF, uploading it to this, because this is how you're going to submit your exams. So it's a good practice for that. Plus, I get to learn a little bit more about you. There is another ebook link here. You can click on that as well, but we will probably primarily be using the Pearson eText, and it's embedded throughout the curriculum. Last thing I want to show you is just kind of how does it work how does a week look like, right? So like week one, every week has a little to do. Here's the competencies we're going to cover, a little overview video, and then it's got to flow. Read this, watch these videos, do this homework, right? StatCrunch is something we use a lot. It's built into my Stat Lab, and those will come in chapters 2 and 3 and on. Really encourage you to use that. We don't do a lot of manual methods anymore. There's a few times we do, but mostly it's using software to do the computation. Your job is to do the thinking, the statistical thinking, and application and inference. So you can kind of see this is the flow, right? We have reading, videos. There's some animations for you to do. Here's an example with myth-leading statistics, and then we have these discussions. There'll be weekly discussions. This one has you go to the Polk County and find arrests and gather some random data or some sample data and do some analysis on it. So it gets you practiced on gathering data, analyzing it, displaying it, making inferences with it. So that's what this course is about. So, and there's videos to help you on all of those things. So I hope this video has been helpful. Again, reach out to me. Right, this number goes right to my cell phone, so I'll answer it most of the time. That 964-6882, and then my email is right here, dgpetrock@dmac.edu. So looking forward to working with you. Class starts Tuesday after Memorial Day, and you will be loaded a day early, but I'm not expecting anybody to start working until Tuesday the 26th. So looking forward to working with you, and I will be talking to you soon.